Good morning student. Today we are going to see about direct and inverse proportion. In introduction, quotient describe how two variables relate to each other. In direct proportion, when one variable increases, the other increases proportionally. And when one decreases, the other decreases proportionally. In inverse proportion, when one variable increases, the other decreases and vice versa, maintaining a constant product. Now, today let's see what is inverse and direct proportion in detail. And for direct proportion, two quantities are directly proportional if their ratio remains constant. If one quantity doubles, the other doubles as well. If one quantity off, the other off as well. Formula for direct proportion y equal to k into x, where k is the constant of proportionality. Example, if you buy more items, the total cost increases proportionally. Now, let us see what is inverse proportion. The inverse proportion is same, but when one variable increases, the other variable will decreases. And the formula for the inverse variation is y by x equal to x. Let's see some of the example for direct proportion. Soft drink bottles. A machine fill 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles can it fill in 5 hours? You can see that as the number of hours increases, the number of bottle a machine fill will also increases. So it is a direct proportion. Let x be the number of bottles filled in 5 hours. Since the number of bottles and hours are directly proportional, 6 by 840 equal to 5 by x. By calculating, we can find that 700 bottles can be filled in 5 hours. Then, now let us see one example for inverse variation. As we discussed earlier, as one variable increases, the other one decreases. Example for inverse proportion. Group of 10 men can complete a piece of work in 12 days. How many men are needed to complete the same work in 8 days? This is an inverse proportion because as the number of men increases, the time taken to complete the work decreases. X be the number of men needed to complete the work in 8 days. Using the concept of inverse proportional, by calculating, we can get 15 men are needed to complete the work in 8 days. Let us see some of the example applications of direct and inverse proportion. Cost and quantity. If you buy more of an item like groceries or cloth, the total cost will increase. If you buy small quantities, then it will decrease. Distance and time. You travel at a constant speed, the distance covered will increase with the time spent traveling. Work and wages. If you work more hours, your total wages will increase proportionally. Fuel consumption and distance. The amount of fuel consumed by a vehicle is directly proportional to the distance traveled at a constant speed. Inverse proportion application speed and time. If you increase your speed, the time it travels takes to travel a certain distance will decrease and vice versa. Number of workers and time to complete a task. If more people work on a project, the time it takes to complete the project will decrease. Price and demand. As the price of an item increases, the demand for that item usually decreases. This is direct and inverse proportion. Thank you.